Hey there. In this podcast, I'm going to talk about how to control sexual impulses. It is very difficult to control sexual impulses. Actually, if you try to control your impulses directly, then you will end up in repressing your sexual desires. And the repressed thoughts or desires, they will manifest themselves one or other day. You should not try to do that. But you should try to control your impulses indirectly. One of the best ways to control your impulses indirectly is practicing meditation. Constant meditation for a long period of time is very necessary to direct the sexual energy into the spiritual channel. Then only the complete sublimation of sexual energy into Ojas Shakti is possible. Then only you are perfectly safe. The other methods include a recitation of mantra, following sattvic diet, satsanga, keeping the association of saintly people. It is very important. Practice of pranayama. Actually, pranayama must be practiced along with meditation. Pranayama precedes meditation. Pranayama is something which you do, and meditation is something which happens. You cannot do meditation. Meditation happens. Meditation is the result of pranayama. You do pranayama for half an hour, then meditation itself will happen for 15 minutes or more. And you can also practice some yogasanas like Sirshasana, Sarvangasana. You can search in YouTube how to do these asanas. They are safe, you can practice at home. And you need to study religious books. You must read religious books on daily basis, every morning and every night before you go to the bed, at least for 10 minutes. Otherwise, it is very difficult to get saintly thoughts, especially in this day and age. You have to do constant vichara, constant discrimination of thoughts. Any thought, you have to check each and every thought that enters your mind. Any thought that could lead you to a sexual urge should be cut at the root. By constant practice, you will learn this technique. And seclusion is very important. You must practice seclusion. I'm not telling you must leave your family. You can be with your family and yet you can practice seclusion. You know it is possible. You can do it. Brahmacharya or purity can be attained only through constant striving. It cannot be achieved in a day or a week. It takes time. If you are a theist, then you can also parallelly do, as I said, you can do uh, chanting, chanting of your chanting of the holy names like Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Lust is doubtless very powerful. It is your deadly enemy, but your most powerful friend is the name of the Lord. It will destroy lust from its very root. always recite the holy names of the Lord. Thanks for listening to this podcast.